Hi, welcome to the Inspector Code Execution Monitoring demo. To access the tool, you must create your account first from the registration page. I already have my own account, so I'm going to sign in to access the dashboard. This is the welcome page where you are asked to connect your first application to the monitoring system. For this demo, I'll be using a Laravel application, but the experience you will see is pretty much the same with other supported technologies. Type the name of your application. Laravel is already selected as preferred technology, then click Create. Inspector provides you the step-by-step instructions to install the client library based on the technology you choose. Inspector works with a pure software library. This way you won't have to install anything on the infrastructure side, and you won't need any external support for managing the monitoring data. Just install the Laravel package and you are ready to go. I run the Composer command to install the library. Configure the ingestion key in the environment file. And I also attach the middleware to catch all the HTTP traffic. Finally, I can run the inspector test command to verify everything is well configured. As suggested by the message in the console, we can now come back to the dashboard and check out the first data. Here they are. The execution of Laravel console commands is monitored by default, so running the inspector test command, we can see an example of their reporting and explore the timeline generated during the execution of the command. The system also tracks errors by showing you the snippet of the code that throws the exception. Well, now I can visit the home page of this Laravel installation. Opening this page in my browser will generate an HTTP request against the application that will respond, providing us the home page. I do it a few times. Coming back to the dashboard, you can see the HTTP requests flowing into your monitoring view with their timeline. For demonstration purposes in the application controller, I also sent a job using Redis as a driver, and in fact, we also see the record relating to the job for which we can monitor the execution timeline. The next step is to take a look at the notification channels. This tool allows you to integrate Inspector with your preferred messaging system to stay informed about errors and alerts in real time. The email channel is installed by default, but you can choose from a variety of notification channels like Slack, Microsoft Teams, Telegram, webhooks, and more. Boost your team's productivity with a code-driven monitoring platform. Run your software products at their best and make your customers happy to work with you. Get started today.